Hey, this is Adam Fabio for Hackaday here at New York Maker Faire, and we're here with Gary from Atmel, and he's going to show us about Atmel Wi-Fi. Now, can you tell us a little bit about this new Wi-Fi module you guys have?
All right. Again, my name is Gary Garwal. I'm from San Jose Atmel headquarters. I'm an application engineer. So the announcement we made on Friday is this new Shield. This Shield lets you add Wi-Fi capability to your Uno or Zero boards. The good thing about the Shield is it's a self-contained module. It has a 32-bit controller sitting on top that runs the entire stack, and all it gives you is a SPI interface. All right, so we have this new module that came out on Friday. We announced it in collaboration with Arduino. This module lets you add the Wi-Fi capability to your Arduino Uno boards, and this is the module right here that adds the SPI capability. The rest of the board is just built around the chip, giving it the I/O access to the base board. The entire TCP/IP stack, the SPI, the radio is all contained within this radio chip. And then we also have a SHA-256 part on the device itself that lets you encrypt your messages so that no one else can hack into your network of things and then trigger, for example, your fire alarm in your house. It's extremely low power. In deep sleep mode, the device only takes 2 microamps. At 18 dBm transmission, it gives you 280 milliamps of power consumption, which is very low compared to our competitors. Extremely simple to program because the TCP stack is built in, and all you need is a SPI driver and a library support to add Wi-Fi capability. There are 2 modes this device can function in. Right now in this demo, I'm using it as an access point, so you can connect your cell phone with this board and control the LEDs. So what I have here is this board set up as access point. If I go to my Android phone, if I look up in settings, if you look up Wi-Fi, you'll see it's connected already to NMC 1500. And now I have a little demo that toggles the LEDs on this board, and this cell phone is now connected to the board. So I talk to this and I turn on LED 1, and you see the LEDs turn on and they turn off. So this is an application where you can have these 10 boards set up in your house, and before you leave for home you turn on the AC, or after you leave from home you turn off AC. You can turn off garages, you can turn off heaters, you can do whatever, a bunch of things. So it's real Internet of Things capability we've added to the Uno. Apart from that, I think that's pretty much it. It's going to be available in January. Again, the part name is Wing 1500 module, and you can find the libraries and part available in January from Arduino.